Hi friends, welcome on YourPedia, and if you've got interview call from IIT BHU Decision Science, please start preparation. बहुत अच्छा डिपार्टमेंट है, वंडरफुल डिपार्टमेंट, इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी डिपार्टमेंट, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट के अंडर आता है डिसीजन साइंस, एंड all branch of students can join it. My today's video is related to the document which you should go through to prepare for the interview of decision science. And let me tell you friends, you should go for multiple mocks and snaps with the mentors of YourPedia before you finally go for the interview of BHU. Also BHU calls many number of times students and selection is on the basis of the interview. Decision science is the best department of IIT BHU. अगर आपको इसमें opportunity मिलता है, nothing like that. What topics are to be prepared, what type of questions can be asked, which content we need to focus on, that everything is in this document. Please go through this document and listen to my video. I'm not going to teach you the document, but I'm going to tell you how to prepare for it. So this is interview preparation document of IIT BHU, that is Decision Sciences. IIT BHU, needless to say, is a very reputed institute, and decision science eventually is a very important department, very good placements, very good opportunities in that. So in this decision science IIT BHU, we have provided you this document, and on the basis of the work profile of the professors, what research they are doing, all branches, electrical, computer science, agriculture, mechanical, all branches students can join it. And there are different kind of topics, from mechanical engineers, they can ask you topic related to industrial engineering, production planning, forecasting, quality, logistics, supply chain management. From computer engineers, they can ask question from programming, data structure, algorithm, those kind of things can be asked. So as mechanical engineer, you should not bother about, you should not focus on data structure, algorithm or programming, वो आपसे नहीं पूछेगा. As computer science engineer, you should not bother about supply chain management, project management, operation research, that is for mechanical engineers. So based upon your background, जो आपने पढ़ा होगा वो आपसे पूछा जाएगा, but some basic things all of you should know, like project क्या होता है, वो computer engineer, electrical engineer, agriculture engineer, mechanical engineer, everybody should know what is the meaning of project. Project is a group of activities done in particular order so that you reach some kind of objective. The project has activities which consume the resources, and then there are some network diagrams, so that everybody should know, because there is a project in computer also, I mean IT industries also, there is a project in agriculture domain also, there is a project in civil engineering construction project, there is a project in mechanical engineering. So there are common topics, then there are your branch wise, your professional background related topics. That is all you should do. So decision science in IIT BHU Varanasi, that is this document is all about, friends, and I'm sure you will go for it. Now let me tell you what are the various subjects or domains in IIT BHU. Logistics, supply chain related management domains, these are for largely, you should go through these particular domains as per your branch. Blockchain technology, computer science engineers should focus on that. Then network flows, graphs, models and algorithm, computer engineers, supply chain logistic management, computer and mechanical engineers, blockchain technology, computer engineer, total quality management, forecasting, time series analysis, facility locations, that mechanical engineers, agri import export management, agriculture engineers. So अगर आप इनको देखोगे, जो टॉपिक्स आपको IIT BHU के अंदर फोकस किए जाते हैं, so these are the topics which are focused and you should have some knowledge about that. And आज का डॉक्यूमेंट मैं आपको वही दे रहा हूँ जिनके आपका इसका नॉलेज होगा. ये सारे का सारा आपका मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर्स का डोमेन है, सप्लाई चेन, लॉजिस्टिक, प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन डेवलपमेंट, इंजीनियरिंग एंड डिजाइन ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, डिजाइन ऑफ प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम, फोरकास्टिंग, टाइम सीरीज एनालिसिस, ये सारे का सारा आपका डोमेन है. जो आप इंजीनियरिंग में पढ़ते हो, जैसे फोरकास्टिंग, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टीच यू, inventory I am not going to teach you, you have already done that, but I am going to tell you certain things that where you should have focus और उसमें आपको कितना पढ़ना है. Ethical aspects of AI, ethical aspects of healthcare, data mining क्या होता है, facility locations, blockchain technology क्या होता है, total quality management क्या होता है, those things you should be aware. Then some decision science related, departmental related electives, machine learning पढ़ोगे आप, project management पढ़ोगे, machine learning का knowledge for decision making, computer engineers should know. Project management, mechanical engineers, production planning and control, mechanical engineers, right? So engineering, economics, financial analytics, they don't expect you question from this, but they are going to teach you all these things. इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रेटेजी इज लाइक you need to identify which topics you want to prepare. आपने तैयार क्या करना है, you should have knowledge about that, and then you should start preparing accordingly those topics. And believe me friends, you should go for multiple mocks, snaps with the mentors of YourPedia कि मैं डिसीजन साइंस के लिए जा रहा हूँ, प्लीज टेक माई स्नैप और मॉक. दैट इज हाउ यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर इट. नाउ decision science, what are the core courses? So deterministic decision modeling, scholastic decision modeling, probability and statistics for data science, simulation for decision making, decision modeling labs, simulation lab. These are some of the domains of decision science in the core course of IIT BHU. तो IIT BHU में जब आप जाओगे तो ये चीज आप पढ़ोगे. इसमें से आपको पता लग जाएगा कि अच्छा डिटर्मिनिस्टिक डिसीजन मॉडलिंग में मैथमेटिकल मॉडलिंग एंड प्रोग्रामिंग भी आता है, लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग भी उसके अंदर आता है. तो लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग यू हैव डन इन द मैथमेटिक्स. सो सर व्हाट शुड आई प्रिपेयर फॉर डिसीजन साइंस? लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग पढ़ो, बिकॉज लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग इज अ पार्ट ऑफ डिटर्मिनिस्टिक डिसीजन मॉडलिंग डोमेन्स. सो आपको लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग आनी चाहिए, right? Similarly, certain theories, if you have done probabilistic theories and all, you should have some idea. Probability and statistics you should study in mathematics. So these are some domains which you should be preparing. And departmental electives are, ये आपको अपने डिपार्टमेंट से रिलेटेड, लॉजिस्टिक्स एंड सप्लाई चेन से रिलेटेड, टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट आपने पढ़ा होता है मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में, सो यू शुड हैव सम नॉलेज अबाउट दैट. तो ये आपने अकॉर्डिंगली वहाँ पे यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट, राइट? या नाउ अदर देन दिस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम्स, इंजीनियरिंग, ये सारे का सारा आपका डोमेन है. सो प्लीज प्रिपेयर ऑल दीज टॉपिक्स विच आर प्रोवाइडेड. एग्री बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट, सो एग्रीकल्चर पीपल शुड बी अवेयर अबाउट दैट, राइट? सिमिलरली अदर जो एरियाज हैं इंडस्ट्रियल मैनेजमेंट के, दीज आर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट, प्रोडक्शन प्लानिंग एंड कंट्रोल, मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, यू शुड बी अवेयर अबाउट दैट. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट IIT BHU का जो आपका डोमेन है जहां से पढ़ना है. अब एक एक करके मैं एक एक टॉपिक यहां कवर कराऊंगा. सप्लाई चेन एंड लॉजिस्टिक्स. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सप्लाई चेन? क्या होता है सप्लाई चेन में? व्हाट आर द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स? देयर इज अ सोर्सिंग, देयर इज अ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, वेयर हाउसिंग, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. सो दिस इज अ डेफिनेशन ऑफ द सप्लाई चेन. अगर वैसे उसने पूछ लिया कि आर यू अवेयर अबाउट द सप्लाई चेन, होता क्या है? Why you want to do this particular master's program? Sir, I want to pursue my career in supply chain and logistics. क्या होता है supply chain? What do you understand by supply chain? Sir, network of organization, people, activities, those which are involved in moving a product or service from one place to another. Like you can give the example of Amazon and all. So ये definition है. इसमें क्या क्या components हैं and focus किस पे होता है? Logistics and supply chain के बीच में link. तो supply chain के कुछ component हैं, logistics उसका एक part है. So that you understand how it is to be done. Then comes logistics. So logistics में same please go through this. Logistics and supply chain के बीच में difference क्या है? That you go through. And then relationship between supply chain and logistics. What do you find? Emerging technologies. This is very important topic. Supply chain and logistics में emerging technologies का role क्या है? Like demand forecasting. What do you mean by demand forecasting? How data science and ML is going to help you in demand forecasting? Inventory management. What do you mean by optimum inventory management? How data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning will help you to optimize the inventory? Smart transportation and route optimization. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by predictive maintenance? How will you improve the warehouse operations? So how can you enhance the supplier relationship with the management? Real-time visibility and tracking, how these technologies help you in that. Risk management and contingency planning, how you will use data science, AI, ML for this, and with the examples. So emerging technologies, can you name some emerging technologies? Internet of Things, big data, cloud computing, robotics, so digital twins. Are you aware about these terminologies? Because ये आपका decision science. Decision science is nothing but all the technologies and tools which you should use, which further helping you to take right decision. Whenever you have to take a right decision, and we are not talking about the personal life right decision, we are talking about the professional or organizational decisions. So whenever I am to take a decision in the organization, so what tools and technologies I should know? That is what is this all about. And then friends, data mining होता क्या है? What do you mean by data mining? And then application of data mining, this may not be very helpful for mechanical but for computers. Blockchain technology and उसका क्या use है, blockchain technologies का क्या benefit है. तो ये सारे का सारा document which is required for decision science, that is provided to you. Take this document, all the topics, total quality management, project management, forecasting, inventory, all these topics are in this document. Please prepare along with the question which are previous year's question from the decision science. Go through it. And once you've gone through it, come for the snap with us. Now IIT Madras DOMS interviews are also coming. IIT Bangalore Master of Management are also coming. Decision Science IIT BHU is also coming. So start preparing these, and I'm very sure you will score good in this. All the very best. Thank you.